Welcome everyone, this is Sophy from Waste Housekeeping. I hope you are doing well. This is apple cider vinegar herrings. I like to store it in a glass reusable bottle. When in use, I'll pop it in a Sweezy plastic bottle. Another great use is using it in pre-soaking laundry, such as the dog's bed sheets. Using it with bentonite clay as a mask for my underarms and face. Let's get started on the video. Here we go. So you will need some fruit scrap, apple cider vinegar mother with its liquid, a reusable glass jar, cheesecloth and a rubber band, and water. Next, I will start chopping up some fruit. I will put the old part into the compost bin. Just be careful and watch your hands when chopping up. So it looks like this batch, the pair will be enough. So I will keep the apple to the side for later use. Grab a glass jar, put in the fruit scrap. You just need enough fruit so the apple cider vinegar mother can eat the sugar. The next process is to grab the apple cider vinegar mother. You just need a small amount. It's the gooey part, like this. And you also need some liquid of apple cider vinegar, small amount. Top it up with some water. Grab your cheesecloth and put on top so it can breathe. Secure it with a rubber band. Don't forget to label it with the date. Store it in a dark spot of your pantry and check up on it every 2 days. So here is a week old apple cider vinegar. This has 3 apple core in it. It's looking good. I'm just checking up to see if there's any mold and make sure that it emerges in the water. If not, I will press it down. So it's looking good. I'll store it back in the pantry for another week. Checking up on it every 2 days. Remember guys, with the apple cider vinegar mother, store in the fridge for longer life. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!